Classdojo as our major application for communicating with our families. So you learned about Google Classroom before. That is what we use as a school to communicate with your student with their assignments. Classdojo is what we use to communicate with you. So we use that as a school to communicate with you about different events that are going on, as well as teachers use that feature and the messaging feature in order to communicate with you about your particular child. It's an easy program to use. It's very quick. It's free. So that is what we're going to use to communicate with you. So what I have up here on the slide is, if you do not have the Classdojo app already, if you have not connected with us as a school, then your child's homeroom teacher will send out an email to you, an invite. That's what that looks like on the left. The left slide says, Flushing Christian School invited you, to Miss Nelson's class. So if that is the correct name of your child, then you just click on that button that says, I'm so-and-so's parent. If that is incorrect, then you would click on the bottom link. So I'm Sai's parent. I click on that. So what you see on the right now is a form for you to fill out. Your first name, your last name, your email address, and a password that you create for whenever you're going to use the Classdojo app. So it's just that easy. Your child's homeroom teacher will send you an email. When you get the email, you click on that you are that child's parent, you fill out that form, and now you're able to go into Classdojo. So now the next slide will show you what you will see. So once you sign into Classdojo, I suggest downloading the Classdojo app onto your phone. So as you can see the little screenshot, my niece's head on top there, you have the Classdojo app. And the good thing about it is you will get notifications when your child's teacher sends you a message. So I have one message waiting for me on Dojo. The next slide, I clicked on that app, and first thing that you will see when you click onto the app is the story page. So there's school stories and class stories, and so everything that is posted on stories you will see right there. So right now I see that parent orientation is coming up. That's what is on my stories. If we click again, when you scroll down, you'll just see more information that's there on stories. And there it shows me the link from last week's informational webinar. So all of that is available for you when you go to Classdojo. Now, I want to see that message so if I click on that message app, which is on the bottom, right? So if you look all the way on the bottom, you see stories, you see activities, then you see messages and notifications. So if I click on messages, I see the message that my teacher left for me about my child. And my teacher's name happens to be the same name as me. So it says, "Hi, Miss Nelson. I wanted to let you know that Sai did a great job in presenting his social studies project. I could tell he did a lot of research. So I'm very pleased to hear that about my child. So I want to write back to my teacher." So right down there where it says type a message, I typed in a message. "Thank you for sharing this with me." And you just click that arrow and that will go to my child's teacher. And it is that quick. It is like a text feature, but without the text messaging rates. So Classdojo is just a wonderful tool that we use to communicate with you quickly, and for you as well to communicate with us quickly. If you have any more questions about Classdojo, then you can be sure to write into us, and we will be happy to answer those questions for you. So again, thank you very much for attending this webinar, and I look forward to working with you and seeing your child very soon.